Welcome to our comparison of two popular grooming tools, the U-Free electric razor and the TPOB Slime 2. Today, we will explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one suits your grooming needs best. Let's dive in. The U-Free electric razor boasts a powerful 7,500 RPM motor, making it ideal for handling thick hair with ease. In contrast, the TPOB Slime 2 features a slightly lower 6,800 RPM rotary motor, which is still efficient, but may not match the U-Free's performance in tougher grooming tasks. If you're looking for power, the U-Free has the edge. When it comes to blades, the U-Free electric razor utilizes a titanium T-blade and a double foil blade, ensuring a close and comfortable shave. On the other hand, the TPOB Slime 2 employs ceramic blades, which provide cooler performance and sharper cuts. Both have their advantages, but the choice may depend on your personal preference for blade material. The U-Free electric razor is designed for versatility, suitable for various grooming tasks, while its metal body adds durability. In contrast, the TPOB Slime 2 stands out with its stylish candy pink design, targeting professional barbers and those who appreciate aesthetics in their grooming tools. Both products offer unique user experiences tailored to different audiences. In conclusion, both the U-Free electric razor and the TPOB Slime 2 have their strengths and cater to different grooming needs. The U-Free offers powerful performance and versatility, while the TPOB shines with its stylish design and professional focus. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and product comparisons.